In our Healthier Me tonight, the impact of the coronavirus pandemic on mental health in America. A survey from the Finance Research and Analysis website, Value Penguin, indicates many of us are struggling. More than half of respondents said their mental health was suffering, and millennials seem to be the hardest hit. 47% said they're feeling more lonely than usual, and nearly 60% did not know how to access mental health resources from home. Ford Motor Company has reached a milestone in the fight against COVID-19 by manufacturing and shipping 10 million face shields to all 50 states. The car maker started making its first face shields on March 23rd, and with more than 350 workers, is producing one face shield every 10 seconds. The shields fully block the face and eyes from accidental contact with liquids, and when used with N95 respirators, can be more effective to limit potential exposure to the coronavirus than respirators alone. Ford is also making masks, gowns, respirators, and ventilators. Our focus on COVID-19 is overshadowing the flu season, which has also hit people hard. Experts say there were outbreaks of influenza B early in the season, with influenza A presenting itself later on. The North Dakota Health Department says there have been more than 12,000 flu cases. That's about 5,000 more than last year. Flu season peaked at the end of February, around the same time COVID-19 started spreading. Coronavirus isolation efforts and increased hygiene may have had an effect on the number of influenza cases.
All types of respiratory illness are spread through cough and close contact, and so really good hand hygiene. If you're ill, staying home and away from others and away from work. All these are really good methods to prevent respiratory illness, and so you prevent one, you prevent the other.
Schlosser says although influenza and the coronavirus have similar preventive measures, it's unfair to compare their spread because the virus strains are so different. Epidemiologists say they're now seeing flu cases decline at the same time the season usually does, into the month of May. Face ID on iPhones was a great idea until we had to wear a face mask. Now Apple is trying to fix that. Details just ahead on Valley News Live at 5.